All right. Tan SunSpot Gold. All right, let's see the first taste.
It's a golden ale.
Yep, here we go.
Mmm.
It's a light beer, about 5.1 alcohol. It's got a nice clean taste to it, no aftertaste really.
Yeah.
It's got kind of a fruity flavor to it almost, but very light, like very very light, almost not noticeable. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it about I'd just give it about a 6. I say it's definitely like better than your average beer, but it's not like the best, but it's good.
I'm not a fan of ales, but it's good for an ale.
So this beer is about $9 a 6-pack, and would I recommend it? I would. It's good to try. It's definitely a good light beer. It's much better than what you would normally pay, but you pay a little bit more, but it's worth the taste. Like, it's definitely better than most beers. I don't know, maybe a 6 is right. Maybe get like a 6.5. Like, it's a good beer. It's just some of these others are better. That's what I think. Mommy, what do you think? What would you give it? 1 through 10.
For an ale, I'd give it about a 7.
So we get a 6.5 and a 7, so pretty close, about the same.
Yeah.
All right, if you have had this beer and you tell me what you think of it, I really want to know. Give me a comment.